Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Heather, and I'm at my favorite place on this beautiful sunny day, the beach. Would you go swimming behind me if you knew there was a 50% chance that a shark would bite you and eat you? I don't think you would. Yes, I just watched Shark Week, and I know the difference between a hammerhead shark and a great white shark and a tiger shark. So I want you to think about this. Probably you said no when I asked you the questions. If you knew there were sharks behind me, would you go in? So then why are teens and people still using pills off the street or taking pills that aren't prescribed to them? According to the newest statistic for 2024 by the DEA, 50% of pills still contain a deadly dose of fentanyl. So why are people still taking them? One pill is enough to kill somebody and take away a life. Just like a shark could eat somebody and take away a life. And yet, if you saw a shark, people would run away from the water. So run away from fentanyl pills. Run away and save your life. Save your person's life that you love the most. Save anybody's life, please, at this point in time. Because remember, one good decision can change your life. Please follow me at Dr. Heather Talks for more real facts, the truth, as we go forward. Well, everyone, I'm gonna head on out to go walk by the beach right now and go pick up some seashells. I'll see everyone soon. Bye.